Okay, so now that we have the counter skill working against both the Breakhead's projectiles and Big Thief's projectile. Okay, next we want to test it against the enemies from the Ice World. Okay, so to do so, we have to start the game right away from the Ice World, so that we don't have to waste time going through the Brick World. Okay, so let me change some values so that we can start the game from the Ice World. Okay, so now we are at the Ice World. Oh shit. So let's first test against the okay, the Angry Furball. Okay, seems like the attack frequency of the Angry Furball is too fast for us to test correctly, so we are going to change that. Okay, so now the Angry Furball should attack slower. Oh shit. Okay, so let's take one step at a time. So let's first do the Angry Furball. Okay, for that we need to get rid of the other enemies first. Try standing on top of the platform. Okay, so the projectile doesn't seem to be reversing. Okay, so that means most likely we need to save the Okay, add force with impulse force. Vector to applied force equals to. Okay, let's copy and paste this. So we'll do the same for what we did for big teeth and the brickhead. Applied force. Okay, so now it should work with the, or rather now Asuka's counter skill should work with the Angry Fur Boss projectile. Okay, but as usual we'll need to test it. Okay, so let's first defeat some other enemies. Okay, besides the Angry Fur Ball. Okay, so we are not close enough to the furball for it to notice us. So we need to have a stage where we have more space for us to test the counter skill. So this is a good stage to do so. Okay, so it's not that easy to counter the Angry Fur Boss snowball. Okay, as it is a curve. Okay, let's try 36 since 52 is too slow or too low an attack frequency. Okay, we need to get rid of the mutant cube. Oh, damn it. Okay, let's try that again. Okay, this time we need to get rid of the ice turtle. Okay, so as you can see, just now we managed to counter one of the projectiles. Okay, but it went down instead. So okay, we managed to counter it again, but since the projectile normally goes from up to down, now when we counter it, it went down instead, which is not really what we want. Okay, so for the applied force, what we'll do is we'll use this. Okay, we'll make sure that it goes back in a. Okay, in a fast manner, which will be able to attack the enemy. So if its direction is reverse, okay, it should be able to go back and hit the enemy. So we need to make it negative. So that when its direction is reversed, it will become positive. So when the furball throws the snowball at you in this manner, okay, so when you counter it back, it should go up back like this instead. now let's try to counter. Whoa, okay, so as you can see, we managed to counter it. Okay, but the force that was applied for the counter was too. Okay, so it's like hitting a baseball now. Okay, let's try to reduce that. Okay, let's reduce the force that we apply to it when we counter it. Okay, we need a stage with more space for us to move around. So let's restart the game, since restarting it will allow us to get a stage with a new randomized layout. Oh shit. Okay, I almost forgotten that. You can get slowed by the froze wave. We still need to decrease the force applied, since now it still goes too fast. Okay, in game development, testing is usually like this, where you have to conduct a lot of trial and error. So it requires a huge amount of time. Okay, let's try 0.25 to see how high or how fast it goes up instead of left or right. Okay, we need a stage with the angry furball. So let's restart.